Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a device that could be a literal lifesaver, the emergency weather radio with large solar panel and hand crank. This isn't just another gadget. It's a comprehensive emergency preparedness tool designed to keep you informed, powered, and safe during blackouts, storms, and outdoor adventures. First, let's talk about the solar panel. This radio features a large 8500mm monocrystalline panel that's significantly bigger than what you'll find on standard models, and it means faster, more efficient charging from sunlight. In our tests, it converted sunlight into usable power noticeably quicker, making it a reliable backup power source when the grid goes down. Next up is the hand crank. With just 1 minute of cranking, you get enough power for emergency calls, lighting, or news updates. That's twice as fast as standard models. The reinforced crank arm and high-efficiency internal dynamo are built to last, so you can depend on it in real-world emergencies. Now, let's talk about the battery. This weather radio packs a real 12,000 mAh battery, and we mean real. So many products exaggerate their capacity, but we tested this one, and it delivers dependable power. You can charge your phone, run the lights, and stay connected during prolonged outages. No guesswork, just honest, tested capacity. The lighting options are impressive too. There's a powerful 5 watts adjustable beam flashlight and a soft 12 LED reading lamp. Both have multiple brightness levels, so you can conserve battery when you need to, or light up a room when necessary. This device is built for the outdoors and emergencies alike. It's IPX6 waterproof, so it can handle rain and splashes. It also offers 5 ways to charge: solar, hand crank, USB-C, micro USB, and even AAA batteries sold separately. Plus, it has NOAA weather alerts and a loud SOS alarm. The NOAA feature is crucial. The radio receives alerts directly from the National Weather Service and triggers a 9-second alarm, giving you precious time to prepare before a disaster strikes. During hurricane season, this could be the difference between staying safe and being caught off guard. In our hands-on tests, we were impressed by the build quality. It's compact and durable, fitting easily into a backpack or emergency kit. The user interface is straightforward, with labeled buttons and a clear display showing battery level and channel. We also appreciated the SOS alarm, which is loud enough to attract attention in an emergency. And the fact that it can charge your phone while also providing light and news makes it a versatile tool. Of course, no product is perfect. The solar charging, while efficient, still requires direct sunlight and takes time to fully charge the internal battery. But combined with the hand crank and other charging methods, you have multiple options. Overall, the emergency weather radio with large solar panel and hand crank is a solid investment for anyone serious about emergency preparedness. It's reliable, multifunctional, and well-built. Whether you're prepping for hurricane season, planning a camping trip, or just want peace of mind, this radio has you covered. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe. Check the link in the description for more details and current pricing. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.